How do I insert a new row in Excel via the keyboard? Right-clicking on a row and clicking Insert is fairly time-consuming. I'd rather not have to take my hands off the keyboard. How can I insert a new row above my current row using only the keyboard? I'm primarily interested in inserting a single row at a time, but would also be interested in answers that address multiple lines at a time.
There are two options that I'm aware of, and both, unfortunately, require two steps. Option 1. With a single cell selected, hit Shift plus space to select the row. Hit Ctrl plus Shift plus plus to insert a row above the current row. Option 2. With a single cell selected, hit Ctrl plus Shift plus plus to insert a row. Hit Enter to accept the default of Shift cells down. If inserting many rows at once, I think the first option is the best, as you can repeat the second step without having to reselect the row.
The following keyboard shortcut will insert one row above the active cells row. Press Alt plus I, insert, then press R, row. On PCs, use the right-click key on the keyboard to emulate a right-click on the current selection.
I found interesting the Alt plus I, R solution, which works in the English version of Excel, at any rate. I have been using for years the macro below, assigned to Ctrl-N, which takes over from the shortcut defined for New Workbook, but you can assign to any key combination you prefer.
I use Windows. Shift plus space to select the current row. Keyboard right-click plus I to insert a row. The keyboard right-click looks like this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.